Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here, and this week we're going to talk a little bit about our Blunami. Now I know we've been pushing a lot of videos out talking about the benefits of the Blunami when you're using the Bluetooth app. But one of the common questions we get a lot is, can I still run the decoder on DCC? So we're going to dive deep into that in just a moment, so let's get started. Now, as we've talked about in some of our past videos, the Blunami is a decoder that has a Bluetooth chip built into it, hence the name, Blunami. The Bluetooth merged with our award-winning Tsunami 2 decoder put together to create a decoder that gives you the ability to control the decoder with a wireless device using the free app that you can download using the Bluetooth connection. But one of the questions is, can you use the decoder on a DCC system? And the answer is absolutely yes. Now, when we first announced this product back in 2022 at the summer at the National Train Show in Collinsville, Illinois, we announced it and we sent some of our decoders over to the NMRA for conformance. And I can say that right here next to me, you can actually see the Conformance Warrant. You can see that pictured on your screen here as well. Now, you can look at the date of this, October of 2022. So they actually got us this Conformance Warrant pretty quick. So that means it follows all the necessary rules and factors of a DCC decoder. So that means when I select my loco on my throttle, I still have full DCC control. So let's go ahead and get it started up. And when I run my locomotive using my DCC system, it's still 100% NMRA DCC compliant. And so what that means is you get the full functionality of the Tsunami 2s in the decoder. And so all the videos that we've posted here on our YouTube channel, you can go back and watch all of those videos when it comes to features, use, operation. All of that still applies when it comes to the Blunami, because at its heart, it's still a Tsunami 2 decoder. So following DCC, I'm going to go ahead and run in the reverse direction, blow our whistle signal, we'll turn on our bell, and we're going to start running in the reverse direction. And you can see that I have full control of it here on the DCC control with my DCC system. But now, the added advantage is that I also have the ability to also control it using the free app. Now, you've seen us talk about the app before in various videos, so I'm just going to show you really quickly connecting to the app. So here next to me, I have my iPhone, and so on the screen here, you can see connect. So I push that button. Now I'm connecting to the decoder. And once I'm connected, I can go over to standard. And what this is going to do is it's going to quickly read all of the CVs in case I've made any changes with it with my DCC system, or perhaps I've used another decoder or the decoder with another phone or whatever. And now you can see I have full control. So you get the best of all worlds with your Blunami decoder. You do not lose any functionality. You don't lose any of the features of the Tsunami 2. And the answer to the question, is this an NMRA DCC product? Absolutely, yes it is. So guys, I hope this has helped answer some questions for you. If you'd like to see a demo of the Blunami, please check with your local retailer. We've been getting them some of the demo units out to get them in their hands so they can show you in store. So be sure to check that out. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@soundtraxx.com, and we'll be happy to help answer your questions right away. Also, be sure to check out the other YouTube videos we've done on the Blunami or the Tsunami 2 so that you can get more familiar with the features built into the decoder, including one of the next topics we're going to be talking about is, again, the auto startup. As you saw in this video, I manually started up the decoder. We'll cover that in another topic, so be sure to subscribe. Click the bell icon below so that you get notified anytime a new video goes live on our YouTube channel. And then last thing, be sure to check out our new podcast. We've started a new podcast recently. I think you'll be entertained and also enjoy watching some of the modeling tips that Norman and myself will give you. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.